Industrial engineering is currently stuck in the past. Jeff Bezos' new startup, Prometheus, aims to change that forever. Jeff Bezos just unveiled Prometheus, emerging from stealth with a radical vision. He calls it the Artificial General Engineer. This system automates the design of complex physical hardware. Traditional hardware engineering cycles often take many years of expensive trial and error across massive global design teams. Prometheus claims its Age system can design and manufacture complex parts 10 times faster than any human-led cycle currently in operation. Unlike standard text models, this system ingests raw physical world data to model material science and incredibly complex mechanical physics. It creates a high-speed dream-build loop where the AI identifies critical engineering flaws before a single prototype is ever manufactured. This simulation removes the traditional bottleneck of physical testing and iterative failure for every major industrial sector on the entire planet. Automating complex jet engines, building advanced medical devices, creating high-performance power turbines, optimizing every hardware component, reducing massive manufacturing waste, scaling global production cycles. But speed isn't everything. There is a significantly darker side to this automated revolution that many industrial experts are currently choosing to ignore for now. Labor advocates warn that replacing engineers with algorithms could trigger massive job destruction across the global industrial and manufacturing sectors. Silicon Valley elites dismiss these fears as inevitable progress for a world with rapidly changing and evolving future labor requirements. The reality for skilled workers could be far more bleak than the optimistic forecasts currently predicted by corporate leaders. Regulatory hurdles are mounting as governments struggle to classify AI that builds physical weapons or critical national infrastructure today. Legal experts argue that current safety frameworks are completely unprepared for autonomous manufacturing at this growing global scale. Bezos defends his lack of oversight with a sharp analogy, comparing the power of AI to a common kitchen knife. He argues we shouldn't outlaw data centers just because a powerful tool could potentially be misused by a single actor. This knife defense has sparked intense criticism from safety advocates, who demand much stricter oversight for all physical AI systems. Investors are pouring $12 billion into a massive Series B round, led by firms like JP Morgan and BlackRock. This cements a $41 billion valuation for Prometheus under co-CEO Vik Bajaj this June. The Muskonomy has a rival. The stakes for the future of our physical world are purely industrial and incredibly high for every human being on Earth. Startup rivals are emerging. Venture capital is flooding. Engineering talent is shifting. Industrial giants are rising. The global race accelerates. Manufacturing is changing forever. We must ask who is ultimately responsible when an AI-designed jet engine fails mid-flight. Physics hallucinations are a real risk when human oversight is removed from the design loop. The ethical cost of extreme speed could be catastrophic for public safety worldwide. Universities are already scrambling to rewrite engineering curriculums to focus on AI oversight rather than manual design. The definition of an engineer is shifting from a primary creator to a supervisor of autonomous systems. Global manufacturing hubs could shift overnight as AG technology makes local production cheaper than overseas labor. This decoupling of design from location threatens to upend international trade and established global economic power structures. Supply chain stability could be permanently disrupted by automated local factories appearing in every major metropolitan city. Security experts fear that leaked AI blueprints could arm hostile actors with advanced hardware globally today. Prometheus remains silent on security protocols, despite growing pressure from international safety watchdogs and concerned government regulators. Hubs active in San Francisco, offices open in London, Teams based in Zurich, 150 employees total. Global reach expanding fast. Workforce scaling immediately. While the promise of 10 times faster innovation is intoxicating, the cost of extreme speed might be high for society. We risk the total erosion of human expertise and regulatory control over the complex physical world we inhabit together. Speed must be balanced against the absolute safety of the machines we build for the long-term future of humanity. The future of engineering isn't just about better tools. It's about whether humans remain the final architects of our physical reality. Prometheus represents a new industrial fire that we must learn to control before it burns the foundations of labor. Will AI design your next car? Or just your next layoff? Subscribe now and tell us your thoughts in the comments below.